Hey everyone, this is going to be the fastest disassembly video ever. This is a Lenovo who knows what. It doesn't even say right here, but I'll find out. Just wanted to get a quick video of the inside. RAM, non-upgradable CPU, Wi-Fi. That is an M2 slot for a solid-state drive. Battery, hard drive, all of them are pretty easy to take out. So I thought you'd like to see the inside. Hinges, it's all pretty straightforward. What kind of machine are you? Let's find out real quick what kind of machine you are. You're a... Wow, they don't even have the model on here. IdeaPad L340. Yay. So that's what the inside looks like. Disassembly's easy. Screws all around the edges. Slide the CD drive out and get prying. I'm not going to do a full disassembly video, but yes, you can put an M2 SSD. I don't know if it's PCI Express or not. You can figure it out for yourself. Hard drive, battery, blah blah blah. Take care.